Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is LACHELLETRENDS, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. We have us another summer unit. Girl, I'm excited about this unit because I really love curly big hair for the summertime, and we're still in the summertime. So yes, another summer banger. This unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay sis, so again I received this unit from Samsbeauty and they sent over this unit right here. Y'all, I'm excited about this unit. I think the last unit that I reviewed, it was like a little curly, like boom boom voluminous, and we have us another curly boom boom voluminous, but this is like a different curl pattern or whatever. But I'm super excited about this one. Ooh. Let's see. Oh girl, it's longer than what I thought. Ooh, okay honey, so this is the unit. Like, it's very curly. Like, sis, I'm excited. Ooh girl, stuff is just falling out of here. Okay, so we have the studio cut natural deep part lace wig in the style DPL009 and in the color 1B. It says it's ear to ear soft Swiss lace, realistic natural hairline, full body movement, premium fiber, undetectable brown HD lace, blends with most skin tones with a 5-inch deep hand parting space, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, and natural and full maximum density. So ooh, girl, this is the stock card, and then this is the back of the stock card with all of the deets. I did read off that I got brown lace because you did get a choice between brown lace or just regular lace. I chose brown lace. This is what the brown lace is looking like. I think it looks good. I can't really tell on camera, but so far so good. I love to get brown lace when I have the option to. So yeah, and do we see, yeah, we do see the baby hairs or whatever. So yeah, and then that's what the part is looking like. Then the inside, you can of course see the part. You do have ear to ear lace. The lace looks good. It looks like it's probably the hairline is probably pre-plucked, if you guys can tell at all. You do get 2 combs, one on each side, as well as a comb at the bottom along with adjustable straps. And as you can see, this is a breathable cap where you can stick your fingers straight through. So with these type of units, hopefully it's very full, which it seems like it would be, but normally I have to be careful with these type of units because, you know, you can see your wig cap if you're not careful. So yeah, this is the unit one more time for the curl pattern. It's very like bouncy. It feels really nice. The hair feels really nice and full. So yeah, that is the curl pattern one more time, and we're gonna go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off a little different by just putting on the unit and not tinting the lace. And the reason why I'm not tinting the lace is because I have brown lace, so I figured I'd just go with that and then, you know, decide if I'm going to tint the lace later on. So per usual, I'll be laying my wig down using the Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it in. So I did decide to go ahead and tint my lace using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just putting a little bit on. Again, you guys, my lace is already brown, so I'm not trying to do too much to it because as you guys saw, it is a little darker than my skin tone. So now I'm just repeating the steps that I used in the beginning by laying my wig down using some Got To Be Glue freeze spray and just blow drying it in, and this is going to create the perfect melt. So now for styling, as you guys already saw, this is a middle part unit. However, it is ear to ear lace, so you're able to wear it like you know, like a flip method or whatever. So that's what I'm doing right now, just deciding if I'm just gonna flip it over and just do like a side little thing, and or am I just gonna do the middle part like it's, you know, made to wear. So even though the side was serving, like we were serving looks with the side, I'm just going to go ahead and still just do the middle part just because I kind of want to see what that is going to look like. So yeah, I'm just straightening out the part, and then after I do that, I'm going to go in using my wax stick and put that all along the part, and then after that I'm going to go in using my hot comb just to flatten it out some more. So girl, now we're gonna add some baby hairs, and I'm just trying to keep it real simple and pull out as little as possible and not do too much. So yeah, that's what you see me doing, just pulling a little out on both sides, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and then curl it with my little flat iron. And then after I do that, to lay them down, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue freeze spray. So now I'm just doing a little touch up in the front just to get it to lay as flat as possible and just, you know, make it look real cute. Okay sis, girl, look at us looking all summertime fine. Girl, the hair is pretty. It is a lot of hair. That's kind of why I had it like this, just to, you know, whatever. But anyways, girl, let me turn around so you can see the back. Okay sis, that was the bag. Let's go ahead and talk about this unit. I'm not even sure if you guys saw my wig cap or whatever, because before I came on camera I looked at the back, and like I thought with breathable caps, I don't know if my head is just too big, and once I put it on it just spreads out, and you can kind of like see my wig cap. So I'm hoping that I kind of like fix that, and that's not what y'all saw when I turned around. But anyway, y'all, let's talk about this unit. Girl, I'm just falling apart. Okay, let's talk about this unit. So it is big hair friendly, y'all. This was like a really nice fitting unit. It fits really nice on my head, so much to where I did have enough space, because it was a good size to where I could actually pull it all the way down, which indeed I did, because the hairline is kind of funny. At least, I don't know, maybe it's just me, because this is the second unit that I have done, and the hairline is just kind of like wonky to where I have to pull it all the way here, because it goes back right here and my hairline's right here. It's just straight across. It doesn't have like all that going on, so I do have to pull it down further, so you know, it goes past my hairline or whatever. So it is a little snug, but that's only because I pushed it all the way down. But yeah, it fits very nice. I actually have a lot of room with this wig cap, so yeah, big cap friendly. The texture of this unit, y'all, this hair is super soft, sis. When I say soft, like, girl, the hair is very soft. It does get bigger once you start to play with it and manipulate it and put your hands through it. I don't recommend putting clips in to hold it like I did, because it kept getting tangled, and the more tangled, the bigger the hair gets, and it kind of doesn't match the back, because I didn't like fluff it out or whatever, because I don't want it to be too big. But yeah, the hair is just really soft. You don't get any shedding or whatever, just a little bit of tangling if you decide to put clips and stuff in it like I did, because of course, y'all, it's curly hair. You kind of expect to get a little bit of tangles and stuff once you start to play with it or whatever. I will say that the hair is big once you start to play with it. However, it is on the thinner side, so I don't know if that makes sense. Like, the hair is thin because, like I said, you're able to see my wig cap, and you can kind of feel that it's like thin, but it's like a nice thin. Like, it's not super thin at all. It's really just right. Really, my head is just big, but you can kind of feel the thinness, just because it's lengthy. Now, if it was shorter, it would be like, oh, this is definitely a full unit, but it's not short. It's kind of lengthy or whatever. I did want to cut it, but I just didn't want to mess up the curls, because the ends and the curls are just so cute if you can see it. But yeah, I kind of would like it better if it was just a tad bit shorter, just because it is lengthy, and the lengthy part makes it a little thinner. But I mean, it's slick. It's nothing wrong with it, especially if you don't have a big head like me. You're not going to be able to see the wig cap like you can mine. I just got to make sure that, you know, at any given time, I just need to go like this a little bit, just so you're not able to see it, because if I kind of push it all up to the front and whatnot, you're going to be able to see my wig cap. So yeah, a little bit on the thinner side, but still full at the same time, if that makes sense. And it gets bigger once you you know, just play with it. So I didn't add any oil sheen. Typically I add oil sheen to majority of my synthetic units, but this one is not going to be one of them, just because I don't want it to get any bigger, you know, because it's already big enough. But yeah, the brown lace, sis, the brown lace looks good. Now, I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person, we're melted. In person, I can see that it is just a tad bit darker than my skin tone. I did add some powder, as you guys saw, but not too much, not like I normally would, given that this is brown lace, and I didn't add any powder at the beginning, just because this is brown lace. I like the brown lace. I like the option to have a brown lace, just because I haven't been having good luck with regular lace, because it's been too light. So anytime I always have an option for brown lace or regular lace, I always choose brown. And I mean, it didn't disappoint me. Again, I can still kind of see that it is a tad bit darker in person, but it's not bad at all. Like, It's not bad. I choose this lace over any lace any day. So yeah, I like the lace. The hairline, y'all, is super natural. The hairline is giving. Now, I'm not sure if you can tell, but you don't need to pre-pluck this. This is one of those units that come pre-plucked, because nowadays everybody just has that in their biography, or no, biography, in their description, that is pre-plucked with baby hair, and it's not always true. This one comes pre-plucked with baby hairs. It's really nice. Again, y'all, the hair is so soft that the baby hair is just laid. Like, I love a good soft unit, especially that has that human hair touch, because the hair lays like human hair. Like, it just lays very nicely. And that's this unit. The hair laid very nicely. It wasn't like a struggle. I didn't have to put a whole bunch of product to get my baby hairs to lay down. Like, it's really just like human hair. It has the human hair touch. Again, y'all, I just really love that they pre-plucked it. Like, you're able to pull this up. I was gonna do like 2 ponytails or whatever, but I just didn't. You can do like the flip over method, because girl, the hair is just bomb. It's very pretty hair. Again, I may cut it. Like, y'all see that right there? That's what I want. Like, that length, cut it. It'll be full, thick, and just boom, boom, bow. But I also like this too. So I'm gonna probably wear it like this for a little while, and then I'm gonna eventually cut it to this length, because that length right there, that length is giving. But yeah, this is definitely a pretty unit, sis. Don't forget to like, share, and all of that good stuff. I'll have it linked in the description box below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.